Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So last night I just got back from Amsterdam and I wanted to do a pack with me for it, but I basically didn't have time at all before I went. So what I figured I would do today is an unpack with me so I can show you everything that I packed, but I'm already back from my trip. So we went from Thursday to Sunday and we went with EasyJet. So we went with hand luggage, but with EasyJet you can have a small suitcase and a backpack, which is really helpful. And of course, knowing our luck in Amsterdam in February, it rained the entire time practically, apart from like 2 hours in 2 of the days maybe. So I'll just show you what luggage that I took with me. This is my small suitcase, which doesn't look so small when I hold it up like this, but this is a hand luggage suitcase. You can see it there. That is the suitcase that I took with me. And then for my backpack, I took my pink cancan, and then I just basically used this as a day bag and left the suitcase at the apartment and just carried this around with me all day. But obviously I didn't keep it full of everything. I emptied some stuff in. So I've taken a couple of bits out of the suitcase since I came back. I had to take my makeup out to do my makeup for this video, and I took out my charger obviously. I think that's it because my travel toothbrush is different from my normal toothbrush and everything. Don't worry, I brush my teeth. So I'm just going to go in with a few spare bits that I've taken out so that I could use them, and then we'll move on to the stuff that I haven't touched yet. First is obviously my hairbrush. This is like my little toiletries bag, by the way. It's like toiletries that isn't makeup. So I have this travel toothbrush, which is a bamboo one, but I just keep it in this little cover thing. I think I got this from Tiger. My deodorant, my flannel thing for taking my makeup off, my travel razor, just a couple of clips for hair accessories. Then this is my everyday makeup bag. I just took this with my makeup bits in it. Obviously I have put some extra bits in because obviously I had to take some bits out for my liquids bag, which I will get onto, but this is my makeup. And then the rest of the liquids, which I didn't have to take out this morning, are my travel size toothpaste, my travel Marbadescu facial spray, and just a lipstick and a little Zara Rollerball perfume at the bottom there. So next I'm going to move on to my backpack. I know this is a bit of a weird order, but I just wanted to get those bits out of the way because I'd already taken them out. My front pocket, I just have a Polaroid that I took of the Rijksmuseum when I was there. I will be putting that into my Polaroid little photo album book. Just have my earphones tangled up with a portable charger with the lead obviously, a nail file, a lipstick, and a very old gross chewing gum that I'm not going to show too much, and a couple of little bits for my scrapbook. Then onto the main pocket here, I just have my pencil case, which I always carry with me. It's just got my nail clippers and any medicine that I might need and feminine hygiene products. Next I just have my purse. This is the one that I use with UK money. I separate my money into euros and pounds, and this just had pounds in it, but I just wanted to carry it with me just in case because it also has my ID and my other cards in it in case I ran out of cash and I wanted to use my card. Then I just have this rolled up tote bag in case we went shopping or I needed an extra bag for anything. I just carry that around with me. This is my separate purse for my euros. I also take one of these whenever I go traveling because I just find it handier to have a coin purse. Obviously picked this one up in Thailand and I've been using it ever since, and it's just really handy to separate your money. And I have my Polaroid obviously. I took the Polaroid of the Rijksmuseum. 2 packets of tissues because this one has only got like 1 tissue left in it. And I just have some Compeed, which is really essential but you always forget to think about. I actually had to use that Compeed when we were walking around Amsterdam and I was so thankful that I'd remembered that. A couple more portable chargers, just like to be prepared. Just have the earphones from the canal cruise that we did, and I thought I would keep them. Obviously you don't reuse them, but I thought I would keep them just in case my normal ones break or something, because I've still got the 6S so I can keep these and use them. A leftover bar of chocolate that I've half eaten. It is Tony's chocolate I think, and if you ever go to Netherlands, or maybe they do this the whole of Europe, you need to try Tony's chocolate. It was amazing. I have 3 packets of sauce which I stole from a restaurant because I want to always carry ketchup with me, especially because the uni canteen is very frugal with their ketchup, so it's good to have a couple extra bits of ketchup. And I just have a scrunchie, my iPad for watching movies and things on the plane, which was very useful. And then I just have my travel diary, which I try and remember to take with me anywhere I go away somewhere so that I can keep track of what I do day to day, and then I stick a little postcard at the end from each one, so I just brought that with me. And then at the side I just have this bottle of water. The staff at Schiphol were really helpful. You didn't have to take your liquids out of your bag or anything, and they let me take this through Schiphol, but it was tap water from the apartment in the Netherlands, and it tasted a little bit funny, so I don't think I'm going to be drinking the rest of this, but I thought it was cool that the staff at the security bit in Schiphol just let you take your liquids through anyway. And then that is my backpack completely empty. I will just move on to my suitcase. I'm sorry that the lighting is going a bit funny. I am working with daylight and it's the 1st of March, and one minute it is sunny and the next minute it's like thunderstorms, so I'm just trying to be quick, but I know that it's changing throughout this video. So going through the front pockets first in my suitcase, the first thing I have is my universal adapter, which is really cool because you can get basically whatever plug that you need out of it. It's got a UK bit on this side, and then on this side you can change it to basically any adapter. Obviously use the European one at the bottom there, so this was really helpful and I take this everywhere with me. And it's also got 2 USB ports at the bottom there, so you can charge one thing in the mains and then 2 USB things at the bottom at the same time. Just have my Greta Thunberg book, which I didn't manage to read this time, but it's on my list. I'm going to read this eventually. And I have my hat. Obviously it was February in Amsterdam, but I didn't end up wearing this, but I would still have brought it anyway just in case. Okay, so the first thing in the main section of my suitcase is my Body Shop Chamomile Sumptuous Cleansing Butter, which I use with the flannel that you saw earlier just to take my makeup off, and it means I don't have to take any liquids and it's better for the environment. And I just have my little headband thing that I use when I'm putting my makeup on, which is handy, but it just looks a little bit ugly. I only took one pair of pyjamas with me this time because we weren't away for that long, so I just wore one pair of pyjamas. I'm gonna skip over like my dirty underwear and stuff because nobody wants to see that. Just brought a pencil case in case I needed a pen or wanted to do that travel diary thing. And I also have my straighteners. I brought a belt because I wore a pair of jeans on the plane and then I basically packed another pair of jeans. So I brought 2 pairs of jeans with me and that was enough to last me the whole time. I also brought these stick-on nails because my nails are stick-on nails in case any of them fell off, but they didn't. But just in case they did, I brought these to top up. I brought 2 pairs of jumpers. Obviously I don't have the outfit that I wore last night because I put it in the wash because I came home in it last night, but I didn't have a jumper on, so I just brought 2 jumpers with me. I think I brought 3 tops. I bought this one and a little crop one and then a long sleeve one, which I wore on the plane home yesterday. And this is the other pair of jeans that I packed. I basically roll everything up to pack them in, but I'm not going to show you them too much because I'm aware that they need to go in the wash. I also brought a pair of leggings, which I didn't end up wearing, but they don't take up too much space and it's just good to have some comfy clothes in case you might need it. I just have some train tickets which I've thrown in my suitcase, which will be going into my scrapbook. And then I also picked up extra watermelon flavour, which was a bit of a rip-off, but I really like it and I just felt like it, so I bought this. And the rest of the things in my suitcase are just like dirty socks and pants and stuff that I'm not going to show you. So I guess that was everything in my suitcase that I took with me hand luggage to Amsterdam for a long weekend. It was my small suitcase and my Kanken, but I don't think I did too bad. I think I am quite a good packer. Let me know if you have got any tips for me, or if you learned anything from this video, or if you've got any upcoming travels. Let me know about it down in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and don't forget to subscribe down below. I'll see you guys next week for a brand new video. Bye guys!